Dogecoin is a decentralized and totally secure organization. It is intended to be a cordial, more receptive type of digital money that could arrive at clients put off by the cool intricacy of Bitcoin. Indeed, even its name is taken from a famous web image. History of Dogecoin, which isolates Dogecoin from most other altcoins and the digital currency market as expansion as opposed to deflationary cryptographic money. Bitcoin and numerous other cryptographic forms of money are figured out to such an extent that they have a hard inventory cap of monetary standards. Dogecoin's cost has massive potential. With the sort of popularity rising, Dogecoin's presence is immense, contrasted with different contenders. Utilizing Dogecoin needs no extraordinary preparation. Well disposed to utilize, it carries genuine worth to its clients. Sacking your Dogecoin is currently simple. In this way, use of Dogecoin implies power in the possession of the client. The standard of any driving coin is the prominence and fan wave that twirls around them. Similar holds at the cost of Doge, as the reception rate for Dogecoin is very high. This advanced money's dynamic and resolute worth winds around equality of the whole Dogecoin people group that places their confidence in it. The Doge wallet is a carefully facilitated capacity that will provide your resources with the most elevated level of safety that anyone could hope to find. The clients who own Dogecoin in their wallet can involve it for Dogecoin loaning. They need to give subtleties, wallet address, and open a record there. Dogecoin's all-out market cap is exchanging around $10,795,171,570 and is currently the 8th greatest advanced cash on the planet. As of now, the cost of Dogecoin is around $0.08138 with an exchanging volume of $354,383,286. The ongoing stock is at $132,670,764,300 Doge, while the absolute flowing inventory is $132,670,764,300. The general cryptographic money market capitalization has denoted a massive change this year, including the Dogecoin market cap. After the Doge's cost arrived at its AF, it denoted an enormous fall over the long haul. Nonetheless, the ongoing Dogecoin cost developments have stamped uncommon changes as of late. The Doge cost developed over 100% in 7 days. The Doge's cost down and out the prompt opposition with no obstacles. It attempted to outperform the urgent obstruction of $0.1669 however fizzled. Afterward, because of some benefit booking exercises, the Dogecoin Doge value began to exchange underneath the obstruction. Specialized markers propose that the image coin needs of purchasers help to start the positive excursion once more. Could V1.14.6 overhaul impact Doge's cost? As indicated by our investigation and Doge forecasts, the cost of Doge might not have an extremely impressive impact because of the V1.14.6 update. The overhaul most certainly has gotten a ton of upgrades its organization and biological system. Yet the cost remained in a similar reach as it was before. As of late the cost saw a gigantic ascent. However, that was more a result of Elon Musk's help for Twitter and his Twitter takeover. A large portion of the redesigns in the organization or environment can impact the cost for the present moment and not the long haul. The most that influence the Doge's cost are the market opinions and the most recent news. Will Doge support the ascent? Everything started when Elon Musk fixed a $44 billion arrangement to assume control over Twitter. When this news was out, the Dogecoin Doge cost flooded nearly by 100%. It is on the grounds that Elon Musk has consistently upheld Dogecoin and considered it a group's coin on different events. Elon Musk's consistent help of tolerating Dogecoin as an installment for products and institutional reception has been gainful to the coin. Numerous standard financial backers accept that Elon Musk will coordinate Doge into the working of Twitter in for sure. Financial backer opinion viewing the equivalent became more grounded as Musk reported that clients would need to purchase a $8 month-to-month membership for an authority blue tick. As per the investigation, Doge's cost will maintain in the event that the hypotheses work out as expected. Dogecoin came to 11 cents. Just with hypotheses, it will become one of the most outstanding crypto resources. As per the Dogecoin value forecasts of the wallet financial backer, Dogecoin Doge may not be a wise speculation, and they anticipate the Dogecoin Doge cost to be around $0.0773 in 2023. Though the specialized examination and Dogecoin value expectation of advanced coin cost recommend that the coin will go up to 21 cents in 2023. Dogecoin expectation 2023. According to the market feeling and future cost activity, the greatest expected Doge cost may be around 25 cents, though the normal cost may be 19 cents, and the base cost may be 12 cents in view of our cost forecast. Dogecoin cost could have tracked down extraordinary help in a brief period after the ascent of this current year. Dogecoin expectations 2024. According to the Doge value expectation and specialized examination, the typical cost may be 23 cents in 2024, while Dogecoin's cost might arrive at a limit of 28 cents and at least 18 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2025. According to our Dogecoin cost expectation for 2025, the coin could have a greatest and least market cost of around 39 cents and 25 cents, while the typical cost may be around 32 cents toward the finish of 2025. Dogecoin value expectation 2026. As per the Dogecoin Doge cost expectation, it might hit a most extreme cost of 45 cents and the base exchanging cost of around 30 cents for the year 2026. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging worth might be around 38 cents. An enormous convention is normal in Dogecoin's cost consistently. Dogecoin value expectation 2027. As per our Doge cost expectation, it is normal that Dogecoin be valued at 51 cents, which additionally is the most extreme worth, while the base incentive for a similar period might be around 35 cents. In actuality, the typical cost of Dogecoin perhaps 43 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2028. Indeed, even in the exceptionally unpredictable crypto market, an image coin like Dogecoin might keep on demonstrating its worth even in the bear market. According to the Dogecoin Doge cost expectations, the coin could arrive at the most extreme worth of 57 cents with a base cost of 40 cents. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be 49 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2029. Our Doge cost expectation uncovers that the Dogecoin cost will exchange between 47 cents to 63 cents, where the previous is the most reduced conceivable cost, while the last option is the most elevated conceivable cost for 2029, while the typical cost for the year perhaps 55 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2030. In view of our Dogecoin Doge cost forecast 2030, we anticipate that the token should arrive at the most extreme and least costs of 71 cents and 55 cents. The typical cost might be around 63 cents with a respectable rate change for the year 2030. The market capitalization might have risen fundamentally constantly 2030. My expectation is that number Dogecoin will ultimately become coordinated with Twitter soon here and there. This will naturally acquaint more than 200 million clients with number Doge, giving them motivation to involve it and increasing the value of the digital currency in general. With huge load of cash driving the crypto market wave and improvements, Dogecoin's future might see an extensive flood in its ongoing cost. The Dogecoin Doge cost is supposed to hit new highs later on. In any case, our venture counsel is that financial backers should be cautious while putting resources into image coins like Dogecoin. Is Dogecoin a wise speculation? Indeed, Doge is a wise speculation.